Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So this is going to be a sarees haul video. I will share with you 3 sarees that I got from Myntra. All of them are from the brand Tavi. I have tried several products from Tavi before and I have loved all of them. I have tops, dresses and also skirts from them. So this time I just thought of trying something new. So I got myself 3 different sarees. All of them are in mull cotton material, and they have like really nice block printing. So I'm really excited to try them out and share them with you. But before starting the video, in case you are wondering about my lovely necklace, this one is from my Instagram store and the base metal is copper. It is a two-tone necklace and this beautiful handmade tassel in grays and blacks. Also comes with these cute earrings. So if you want to buy this necklace or if you want to check out other products from my brand, I will have my Instagram handle in the description box. You can check it out. Just DM me on my page with your queries. And along with that, I will also have the links to these beautiful sarees in the description box. So if you want to know what all I got and how I styled them, please continue watching. The first sari that I got is this pure cotton Ajrak block printed sari from Tavi. The base color is black and it has this beautiful print all over with these narrow borders, and this is how the pallu looks like. I love the combination. The sari comes with its own printed blouse piece, but I think a solid color blouse works best with such printed saris. So I'm wearing it with this really simple sleeveless black blouse. For jewelry, I'm wearing these long earrings. The earrings have maroon stones on them, and to pair with it, I'm going to wear this maroon stone choker necklace. Because I love layering necklaces, I will add another silver necklace to create like my own custom necklace. We'll wear these silver bangles and a ring to complete the look. And you can wear this to any casual function. You can wear this to college, for an ethnic event. If you are a teacher, you can carry a look like this, or if you're going out with your girlfriends and you want something comfortable, this sari is so comfortable to wear, and you don't need to be an expert to drape it. However you drape it, it will look good. This sari just hugs the body perfectly and looks really nice. The second sari that I have is also from Tavi. Again, it's a pure cotton block printed sari. It's a black sari with floral motifs all over and has a yellow border. The sari also has yellow in the pallu. Wearing it with a simple plain black blouse with glass sleeves. This blouse is stitched. I just love this combination. The yellow is working really well with the black. For jewelry, I'm going to wear 2 of these silver bangles and a silver ring. I will also wear this beautiful necklace set from my store. I will have the link to my Instagram jewelry store in the description box. And these are the matching earrings. Just love this necklace with the sari. It's working so well. Again, this is a very casual look and so comfortable. If you're going out shopping, you can definitely wear it. It's best for the summers. I love the look of this sari and the way it looks with the jewelry, the blouse. It looks so nice. If the sari is in your wish list, definitely get it. This is the third and final sari that I got from Tavi. Again, a pure cotton block printed sari. It has this checks pattern all over with a narrow border, and this is the pallu. This one again is very comfortable and so stylish. I have draped it really casually. I have paired it with a Kolkata themed halter neck batik blouse. I think this blouse is working well with the sari. You can also try out different draping styles with a sari like this. For jewelry, I am going to skip the necklace and wear these long statement earrings, a ring and a few bangles. This style is perfect for casual outings like lunch or a movie date. This sari you can also wear to work with minimum jewelry and maybe a different blouse. So this is the completed simple casual look. Let me know what you think. So these were the 3 looks that I wanted to share in this video. So I've styled the 3 saris with different blouses and jewelry. I really hope you liked it. and also let me know if I should keep all the 3 sarees or if I should keep only 1 or 2 of them. If you have any video ideas or suggestions for me, please do comment and let me know. I would love to know your feedback. I'm trying really hard to upload regularly, and please do consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like it, then do share it with your friends and family. You can watch my previous videos right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.